Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study effectively Neet. Start by mapping syllabus into manageable weekly targets and build a realistic timetable. Focus on concept clarity, then reinforce with questions and regular timed practice. Balance study blocks with short breaks and review weaker areas each week. Use diagrams and simple summaries to speed revision. Keep materials minimal and dedicate 1 hour to simulated tests twice weekly to track progress. Use focus techniques that make time count and reduce burnout. Begin sessions with a quick quiz to activate memory, then tackle core concepts using short, intense study blocks. Alternate subjects to keep attention fresh and use mixed practice for problem solving. After each block, spend 5 to 10 minutes summarizing key points in your own words. Track mistakes and revisit them in the next space session to stop forgetting. Practice smartly to convert study into scores. Schedule regular full-length tests under exam conditions and review them immediately for errors and time management issues. Keep a running list of recurring mistakes and convert them into focused mini-sessions. Use one-page summaries and diagram sheets for quick recall before tests. Rotate subjects so long-term memory strengthens across topics, and set weekly targets to close knowledge gaps steadily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.